In this video, we will show you how to use the Text to Pay feature within the system. This is a great feature you can use to send a link to contacts through their contact record or the conversation section. The link will include an option for them to click directly there to make a payment to you. This is a great and convenient way to process payments. You will need to make sure that you have your Stripe account connected. Start by navigating to Settings and Payments. You will see here where you can enter your Stripe secret key, or even better, which we recommend for best security, you can use the Stripe Connect. You can also check to see if you have your Stripe account integrated by checking under Settings and Integrations here. Now let's take a look at how this works. Once you have your Stripe account integrated, you can navigate to either the conversation section or an individual contact record. Within the messaging section, there will be a small icon that looks like a circle with a $sign in it. This is next to the icon where you can include an attachment to a text message. You'll see a pop-up window appear, and you can add the name for the item or the service that you're charging for. You can also add a price. You can add multiple products or services, and a total will be calculated. Underneath that total, you'll see an invoice number. You will also see a note that the accepted payment methods are credit and debit cards. Next, you can choose a link expiration. This means that the link will expire at midnight on the selected date. You can leave this blank if you don't want the link to expire. Once you've made all of your changes and updates, click Save to confirm your changes, and the link will now be created. Once you send the message with the link, the contact who receives that link will be able to click directly there and enter their credit or debit card information to quickly and safely process a payment to you.